Hi Autodesk users, welcome to another version of AutoCAD tips. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can insert a page of a PDF file into your AutoCAD file. Let's say, for example, you have this DWG file, this PDF file, sorry, and you just want to import just this page of the file. To do that, you can easily do this on AutoCAD. What you just have to do is, the page number of the page of the PDF that you want to import. Once you know the page number, for example, this is page 7 of the PDF file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the PDF file. So then you come to where you save the project, click on that PDF file and enter Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or you right click and select copy. Then you come to your AutoCAD file. This is our AutoCAD file. This is where we want to import a page out of the PDF file. So once you get to the AutoCAD, you enter Ctrl+V to paste. Then it asks you to select the page number. You can select the page number. So in that case, I want to insert page 7. Enter page 7. Then you press enter. Then it asks you for the insertion point, just click on anywhere to insert it. Then you can also increase the scale. Let's say you want it to have a scale of 1, that is with the scale of the PDF file, press enter again. And then if you want to rotate it, but in this case, I don't want to rotate it, leave it like this. Then you can see that it inserts exactly what you have in page 7 of the AutoCAD file. So it does not insert all the AutoCAD or the PDF file, sorry. So with these short tips, I think you'll be able to insert any page of any PDF into AutoCAD. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe to the channel. Give me a comment and let me know what you think about my video. See you in the next time. Love you. Bye.